My goodness, this house you all are seeing right here was built in Imo State, this gigantic edifice. This house right here was built by an Imo State son of the soil called Somabest. He built it in his hometown. This is not just any house, this is a mansion standing tall. The guy in question, or rather the man in question, hails from Idiato South local government area of Imo State. And guess what? The young man behind it is none other than Nkakwa Somadina, also known as Somabest. Somabest is a businessman. He runs a business supply service and is widely recognized as one of the youngest car dealers in the world. Yes, he's based in Dubai. He deals in buying, selling, and importing all kinds of cars, luxury, exotic, name it. And he does not stop there. He also helps people with travel documents, visas, and flight bookings. This man right here is indeed an entrepreneur. Now here's the gist that caught everybody's attention, including me. Because for years now, people have been saying that Igbos are scared of coming home to build, to invest, that they prefer to leave their investments outside their homeland. But this young billionaire from Imo State has proven that narrative wrong. He went back home, right there in his village, and planted his roots with this massive edifice. This is a big statement, Somabest is showing the world that home will always be home. And no matter how far you travel, it's important to leave a mark where you started. Honestly, this house is currently trending on X because people are just wondering, what kind of edifice is this? Like I said, he built this in his hometown, Idiato South local government area of Imo State.